How to set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a simple way to set up your WhatsApp profile picture without losing in quality. So if you ever uploaded a picture and only way to find out if it looks blurry and pixelated, then this video is for you. So before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. So let's just get started. The first step is to choose the image that you want to use as a profile picture and make sure your profile photo is of a high resolution, and because WhatsApp compresses images when you upload them, so start with a high quality image so that it will minimize the loss in quantity less. So in order to do that, you can head over to the chat, and when you select a picture from your gallery right here, you can easily find this option called SD at the top or top corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and set the standard quality so that we can have HD quality. Just select SD quality and export it to your device. After the export is done, you can tap on the three dot at the top right corner, head over to the settings of your device, and you can find your profile here. Just go ahead and tap on your profile. After that, you can find this camera icon at your profile picture. Just go ahead and tap on it and select a photo from the gallery, the HD picture that we just exported in our device. And there you go. Now your profile picture is updated in the highest quality. So follow the steps in order to make your profile picture of your WhatsApp in a greater quality. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.